Hi, today we're going to go over your marketing kit. First step is to go ahead and log into your account, go to your dashboard, and pick a site, and just click on the marketing kit button. Once there, you'll find a lot of useful information and a lot of detail. We're just going to skim across the high level of it, and then I suggest that you go ahead and play around with this a little bit yourself. Go ahead and experiment. You can find all sorts of things that you can edit in here and make it yours and customize, whether it be a flyer, virtual tour, what have you. So do spend some time in here. It's well worth it. It will save you a lot of time switching between different programs in order to create your flyers and so forth. You'll be able to do it right here from your Total Marketing Kit. One thing since we started the company back in 2006 that we've always had is virtual tours. So of course, right on top of your Total Marketing Kit is the web links for your virtual tours. You have a thumbnail of what your virtual tour looks like, your link, as well as your QR code. In order to copy a link, so let's say if you want to paste it into another website or want to paste it into an email, just hover over the clipboard, click on it, and it's then copied to the clipboard. Makes it really easy for you to paste it elsewhere. The QR code can be downloaded, so you're welcome to go ahead and give that a try as well. Next is the download photo page. So the download photo page we'll get into a little bit later and show you actually how to edit photos. But if you go to download photos, you have a copyright license. You just simply accept the copyright license and you're able to download your photos here. It also gives you the Matterport 3D virtual tour link. So if you want the Matterport link as a standalone somewhere in your marketing, you can click on that clipboard and copy it to wherever you might want to use it. The download, you have different sizes now. So you have the print quality, which is a very popular size. You can use it for whatever you might want to print, postcards or what have you. MLS size, I think that's self-explanatory. Then you have a new button, which is the custom size. So if you need a specific size to use on, say, your web page, you can go ahead and select custom size, download the file size of whatever you set, and you'll be able to go ahead and have that size. Of course, this is where all of your photos are kept as well. So all the photos that you have in your marketing kit are right here. As a part of the Total Marketing Kit, you also have flyers, printable materials, and attachments. There's a lot of different things that you have here, so spend some time going through it. They are editable. You can print them, you can save them. It includes things such as your flyer. It also includes all sorts of different social media formats. So that way you can go ahead, set up a whole drip campaign on social media with different looks and feel to attract interest in your listings. You see there's quite a number of them here. So go through, spend some time, get creative with them. And that way you can really customize them and make them your own. Some Facebook and Pinterest tiles as well. You also have videos. Videos can be anywhere from a brief teaser video, which usually lasts for less than a minute, and then you have other branded videos that will last for multiple minutes. So take a look at these videos. You can go ahead and put them into your different social networking sites. Once again, what you want to do is you want to garner interest around your property.